Be honest. When someone texts you in English, do you just reply okay to everything?
Yes, every single time.
You know the vocabulary, but when you text, your chats still sound a little boring?
Yes, I always get stuck and just type okay.
Exactly, and that's why you sound like a beginner in text. But don't worry. Stay till the end and you will learn 30 smart, native-sounding replies you can use every single day. You will never get stuck saying okay again.
I really need that.
Let's fix your replies, step by step.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us create more content for you.
Someone texts you, "How are you?" What do you say?
I'm fine?
That's okay, but let's upgrade it. Try, "I'm good."
Yeah, that sounds more normal.
Or try, "Pretty good."
Oh, I like that one.
Or even better, "Doing great."
That sounds so confident.
Now someone says, "Thank you."
I say welcome?
Close. Say, "You're welcome."
Okay.
Or just say, "No problem."
That feels very friendly.
Or my favorite, "Anytime."
That sounds really nice.
Let's test you. I say, "Thanks for helping me." What do you reply?
No problem?
Good, but let's make it warmer.
Anytime.
Perfect. Now imagine I text you, "Let's meet tomorrow."
Okay.
See, you did it again. Instead of okay, say, "Sounds good."
Yeah, that feels much better.
Or, "Works for me."
Oh, that sounds cool.
Or, "Sure, see you then."
That feels like a complete conversation.
Now I text, "Call me later."
Okay.
Upgrade it. Say, "All right, talk to you later."
Oh, that sounds so natural.
You're getting much better, but this next section is where most people sound like beginners. Ready to sound like a pro?
Now I'm curious. Tell me.
I text you, "Can you help me?"
Okay.
Try this. "Of course." Or, "Sure, I'll help."
Nice. Very polite.
Or even, "No problem, tell me." Now I say, "Send me the file."
Okay.
Better, "Got it, I'll send it."
Yeah, that sounds very professional for work.
Let's try a real situation. Your friend says, "I'm running late." What will you reply?
Okay.
Be kinder. Say, "No worries, take your time."
That sounds so understanding.
Exactly. Next one. "Sorry for the delay."
Okay.
Just say, "No problem."
Much better.
Last one. "I'll call you tomorrow."
Let me try. All right. Talk to you then.
Perfect.
I'm improving.
Let's do a rapid-fire real chat.
Okay, I'll try not to say okay.
"Hey, how are you?"
Pretty good.
"Can you help me?"
Of course.
"I'll send the details."
Got it.
"Let's meet tomorrow."
Sounds good.
"I might be late."
No worries.
"Thanks for your help."
Anytime.
Great job, Mia. Before we finish, let's do a quick reminder of all 30 replies we learned today.
Good idea. Let's do it.
Situation 1. Someone asks, "How are you?" What can you say?
I'm good, or pretty good, or doing great.
Perfect. Situation 2. Someone says, "Thank you." What do you reply?
You're welcome, or no problem, or anytime.
Nice. Situation 3. Someone says, "Thanks for helping me," and you want to sound warmer.
Then just say anytime with a warm voice.
Exactly. Situation 4. Making plans. Someone texts, "Let's meet tomorrow." Instead of okay, what can you say?
Sounds good, or works for me, or sure, see you then.
Great. Situation 5. Call me later. What's your upgrade?
All right, talk to you then.
Situation 6, professional. Someone asks, "Can you help me?" What are your smart replies?
Of course, or sure, I'll help, or no problem, tell me.
Perfect. Situation 7, send me the file. What do you reply?
Got it, I'll send it.
Situation 8, a friend says, "I'm running late." What's the kind reply?
No worries, take your time.
Situation 9, sorry for the delay. Simple reply.
Just say, no problem.
Situation 10, I'll call you tomorrow. Natural reply.
All right, talk to you then.
Now, let's review the rapid-fire chat replies. Situation 11, I asked, "Hey, how are you?" What did you say?
Pretty good.
Situation 12, can you help me?
Of course.
Situation 13, I'll send the details.
Got it.
Situation 14, let's meet tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Situation 15, I might be late.
No worries.
Situation 16, thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Finally, the bonus replies we talked about. Situation 17, someone asks, "How are you?" The old way. What's the reply we are upgrading from?
I'm fine.
Situation 18, someone says, "Thank you," almost correctly, missing your.
Welcome.
Situation 19, the word we are banishing forever.
Okay.
Situation 20, short version of "call me later."
All right.
Situation 21, short and friendly reply to "Can you help me?"
Sure.
Situation 22, last part of "No worries, take your time."
Take your time.
That's more than 30, but you get the idea.
The most important ones are the upgrades. I'm good, pretty good, doing great, no problem, anytime, sounds good, works for me, of course, got it, and no worries.
Exactly. Those 10 will replace 90% of your OKs.
Because they're easy. No more okay for me.
Love it. Now you're ready to text like a pro. So, no more boring replies?
Never again.
Awesome. How are you?
Okay.
Mia?
Wait. Pretty good.
Much better. Now you know exactly what to reply in almost every situation without sounding like a robot.
And honestly, it sounds so much better than just saying okay.
Which smart reply are you going to use today? Say it out loud right now.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speaker of English for more simple and practical English tips.
See you next time.